All right, before I let you loose on the worksheets, I wanted to give you a quick review for gas reaction calculations. You've already taken all the notes, but here's the helpful hint before you do the mathematics. You're going to have one of two scenarios that always happens. You're going to be either at STP, and if you're not at STP, then you're going to try to use PivNert to help you through the reactions. Remember, STP, you'll want to put this in your memory, is 1 atm and 273 Kelvin. Make sure you memorize that. Now, obviously, that's 0 degrees Celsius, but we don't ever use the Celsius for calculations. So if you read a question that's at STP, then you automatically, if it's a gas, you want to use that 22.4 liters. That's the magic thing that you're going to use. So when you see STP, that's going to help you a lot. If you have a reaction that's not at this pressure and not at this temperature, you're probably going to have to use PivNert somewhere. Most likely, you're going to use PivNert to come up with N, because remember, N is moles, and as soon as you have moles, you can, when you use this equation and you get moles, then you can take that answer and put it right into the reaction, and then you can calculate anything. Because remember, when you're in these reactions where you have something like 2A plus 3B yields 4C plus 5D, whenever you have these reactions, if you had this as 6 moles, then you automatically can calculate everybody else. You know that since 6 divided by 3 is a multiple of 2, then everything would double. So basically, when you get this moles from this reaction, you plug it into the equation and you can answer anything. Quick reminder, you can only do this when you're dealing with gases. If you're dealing with solids and liquids, it's going to be the same as always. Take your answer, put it in moles, and then work the problem. So in every one of the questions, you're going to want to look for where are the gases, and then you're going to do your calculations. At STP, this is what's going to help you a lot. If you do not have this pressure and temperature, then you're going to try to use PV equals nRT to get your moles, which will put straight into the reaction. So that should be a helpful hint when you go to work these problems. Good luck! We'll see you on Monday.